A perfect daily watch has to be a jack of all trades. From pajamas to wedding day, it must always look its best and thread the needle between character and discretion. The Baume Mercier Clifton Baumatic does all this and more, especially in this new green reference, the 10592. Riding the line between dressiness and sportiness, the dial features several intricate details. There's a harmony between the black void of the edges and the slightly desaturated shade of crisp pine green in the center, with a bluish overtone that merges with the silver finish of the steel. The overall impression this gives is cooling, and the printed elements, like the crosshair and minute markers, bring the sporty edge. The 40mm case is comfortable and tasteful, with a vintage-inspired bubble profile and short lugs for easy fitment. Most of that diameter is taken up by the dial, so you get to stare at that green some more, and the 50 meters of water resistance should keep your fears at bay when the rain comes suddenly. The term in-house is a buzzword these days, with each use of those words further lessening their impact. However, the Baumatic BM13-1975A is an in-house movement in the truest sense. With it, you get impressive decoration, anti-magnetic properties, a 5-day power reserve, and COSC-certified accuracy. The Clifton Baumatic 10592 comes on a seemingly uninspired black alligator strap, but there's more to it than meets the eye. Firstly, the fact that it's inconspicuous does the watch a lot of favors, as any party tricks, such as green stitching, would have strayed slightly too far into novelty for this to be as versatile as it is. The second detail is that the quick-release spring bars are curved, giving an integrated feel that contributes to a higher luxury impression. Prices will continue to creep up year on year from the big Swiss brands, so finding a real value option is getting quite tough. At 4,750 Australian dollars, the Baume Mercier Clifton Baumatic isn't inexpensive by any stretch of the imagination, but it still represents strong value. A watch with as much elegance as this could easily cost twice as much from other watchmakers, and yet you would be receiving the same luxury quality and finishing. It's not as if Baume Mercier don't have heritage either, with a lineage stretching back to 1830. This is the kind of watch we tell ourselves could be a one-watch collection, but really could end up being a gateway drug into an even bigger collection, as it just sparks so much enjoyment.